What about now? Okay. Now we are live on YouTube as well. Okay, we need fix description. Okay. Cool. Seems that we are live on YouTube and Twitch. Seems that OBS is working. Okay. Okay. Probably we have music and seems that we have also microphone stream. Now I can test that. Where are my headphones? Another one, not those. Oh, we have someone in chat already. Hello. Oh, and we have chat overlay on the screen as well. Cool. Oh, that's nice, actually. That's actually nice. Let me try to make it bigger. It's somehow smallish. Can I make it bigger? Yeah, sorry about that, but basically we are kind of fixing OBS configuration now. That's what's going on right now. Can you hear me? Anyone? Oh, you can hear me. Cool. So, audio is working. Do you hear music? Loud and clear. Cool, amazing. It could be smarter to just log in from another device and listen to myself, but no music. Okay, that's sad. Let me figure out what's going on with music. Because otherwise it's not fair that I'm listening music and you do not hear it. Let's close things that we don't need. Oh. Do we need this? Probably. Let's try to fix music. Probably we can grab desktop audio. What about now? Why my name color is blue? Good question. Cool, we have music on. Perfect. Actually, we don't need this thing. Probably it will work without this thing. Yeah, I still see music. It should be on. Yeah, I don't know what is going on with that color coding there in the chat, and actually, of course, we can't really read it on the screen because it's, we need some background here, but okay. That's minor issue. Probably we can live with that for now. Should we do some programming now? I was expected that it will take more time to fix everything, but seems good that chat works, audio works, surprisingly. And yeah, basically what did I change? I switched from the eCam app to the OBS. And yeah, eCam Live application was very shitty on Twitch. OBS probably is better. We'll see. I hope so. So, okay, if everything is working, probably I should do some work. The chat is not great, actually. Do we have it on other screens as well? Not on this screen. We have it on this screen. Which it is? That is Streamlabs chat. Okay, kind of cool that we have it here, but it's not really readable anyways. It will be more readable here, for sure. Or here. Nah. Yeah, here we can really read it. Programming now. I was hoping that I will have some kind of lazy day playing around with OBS configuration. Okay, this works. This works. This camera also works. Yeah, probably I should do some work now. And music is on this screen, but we don't have music. Do we have it here? Yeah, we have music here as well. We don't have music here for some reason. Interesting. And we don't have music here. Actually, this is kind of interesting layout. Fancy. But we need music here as well. Okay, if we will stick with this screen, everyone have fun with music. You have this type of alert as well, which is kind of interesting and fun. Can't move them around. Yeah, a little bit too many. Let's play a little bit around with those things. We don't need this thing. Chat is kind of barely readable here anyways. I don't know, do we really need it? Maybe. Somewhere. It's hard to read anyways. Okay, whatever. Let's keep it here for just for fun, or not. The problem is that when we are running stream on Twitch and on YouTube, you basically do not see part of the chat. Let me see if I can get chat from OBS. Maybe that will work. Chat. All messages sent will appear publicly. Should I sign in YouTube? That's interesting. Could be cool, of course, if I know my password. Complete sign in using your... Okay, and where can I do that? That shit doesn't work. Do I have any push notification to sign in or something? Nothing. I will be happy to sign in using passkey, but it doesn't work in OBS. Yeah, sure. Let's share all my passwords. Of course, why not? That will be amazing idea. Come on. Tap on your phone on tablet. Okay, send me something, some notification. Okay, here it is. I just want to get chat working. Please, for me. Yes, it's me, Google. That's me. Okay. I got my chat. Now what? Test. Yeah, that could be cool if the chat will be somehow connected with our live stream. What the fuck? What is that? Live chat. One more test. Okay, it's not going to the main chat. Okay, whatever. Let's pop out this chat. And I will have it here on the screen. And that will work for YouTube and Twitch chat. It's not most active one today. Okay, that will work. Now I see when you are kind of writing mean things about me. Keep doing that, that's fine. Just kidding. Okay, and then we can hide this overlay. This overlay doesn't look good, we need to fix it. Oh, I have two overlays. Okay, good. And this doesn't work. Whew. Oh, Ben, hello. Hey. How I am? I'm doing great. Back from Egypt with slow internet. Comparing my vacation plans with conference in Finland. It's very interesting, kind of. I hope that if I will not, there is a small chance that I will get to that conference, but if I will not get to that conference, which most likely will happen, I will be happy to see if that conference your presentation will be recorded. That's a very interesting topic, from indie to big company, to Nike. I think it's Nike. Yeah. Yeah, I hope. We'll see. The problem is that is the school holidays. That week is school holidays in Latvia, and usually we are going for vacation. And basically that first week is school holidays, and in second week is my wife's birthday, and then we usually going to 2-week vacation. Then kids are just doing school with grandparents, and we are going to escape for 2 weeks. I don't know. I already booked apartments in Warm Island, but we didn't book flights yet. We'll see. Oh, you're bringing your wife with you? Yeah. That also could be option, but you know, on conference, then you kind of spending a lot of time with other people, and then that's kind of not the best experience for family. So yeah, I don't know. There is slight chance that I will be, but video is lagging. Here on, I mean, not here, but where? On YouTube? What music I'm currently listening? Music is from music is from here. That is Epidemic Sounds, and basically I'm paying money to be able to use it on live streams and so on. That's basically a service where you can get licensed for royalty-free music. Basically, you can use it in your social network, content, Instagram, whatever, and so on. That's what I'm using. For personal use, just for listening, I think it's kind of overkill price-wise. It's something like 15 something. Okay, it's not too much. It's not more expensive than Spotify, or not much more expensive than Spotify, but you don't have just all the popular music here. You have just music for content. Oh, okay. Stream is laggy. Yeah, it could be. It was kind of strange. I started stream with one settings that didn't start, and then I basically started Twitch stream and then started YouTube stream. I started the stream, and then I realized that I could test my OBS configuration on basically private, not public YouTube stream, so a bit too late. OBS is so laggy recently. I was recording myself on my screen for 30 minutes and tested. Yeah, interesting. I usually using Ecamm application for live streams, which is paid product and works on Mac. It's fine, it works nice, but live streams from Ecamm to Twitch are laggy. If I'm using Restream app or service, let's say so, then it's better. But when I'm streaming directly from Ecamm to Twitch, then it's laggy. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Probably I should kind of try to fix that on in Ecamm. If you are saying that YouTube is lagging, it's bad. I started, yeah, if I'm using SwiftData, I started to use SwiftData in this project. Basically, I created it as core data project for a while ago. I created it about 2 years ago. Then this application was almost dead, and then I kind of relaunched it. And currently, I'm using where are my models? Habit. Okay, here it is, model. I'm using SwiftData here. I don't know how. Is that the best way to use it? Am I kind of holding it right? But yeah, that's how I'm kind of using it. It's relatively simple project. It's just, you know, habit tracker, how complex it can be. But yeah, I have basically day class just to kind of have that calendar record. Let me show. I will relaunch application. So what is my thinking behind those models, how I created them? Let me launch it. So you isolated storage with SwiftData from the rest of your app. What? Basically, I have SwiftData models. And so this is my kind of day model. This is my habit model. And basically storage is SwiftData synchronized with CloudKit. So basically that's how I'm using it. And I'm not sure I have the best. I'm not sure if I'm following all the kind of best practices because, you know, I started this project with core data and then I kind of migrated it to SwiftData as good as I understand that. The right way would be to start from scratch on some different project and basically, I don't know, use some book or something. But I just, you know, use it, took a look on documentation, took a look how that should work, and it kind of working. So yeah, yeah, basically that's it. And then on the startup, yeah, of course I'm fetching data from SwiftData storage, and if application is installing first time, then I am kind of checking if I have data in the CloudKit and kind of fetching from there. That's basically it. But yeah, it works, but I'm just not sure if I kind of implemented it in the best possible way. What about UI UX? Okay, let me see. I missed that question. How you used any AI for UI UX? I tried UX Pilot and Wizard, must say, felt good. I didn't. And I basically was. Two companies reached out to me. And you know, when you are kind of creating some content on the internet, often you reach out to some random companies and saying, "Oh, we have our AI, or I don't know, some plugin for Chrome and so on. Go and advertise it to your audience." And half of those are kind of shitty products, but I don't know, two companies reached out, they said that, "Oh, we have AI designer," and that happened this week, but this week is very busy, I just come back from vacation and so on, so I didn't even come back to them. I'm planning and willing to take a look into the AI designer kind of things, but I just didn't have time for that, yeah. SwiftData is very new, and your experience was okay. Okay. Yeah, that preview kind of, I don't know, those preview sometimes working, sometimes not, and I will not lie that I remember what I did to them to work. I know what I did. I just do not have previews for this calendar view, which is using most of the SwiftData objects. I just do not have previews for it. Yeah, that's how I solved the problem. Exactly. With scare quotes. Yeah, it's in my case, I have one project where I'm still using a Realm database for local data storage, and I need to migrate it to something, and yeah, this is my kind of pet project to test SwiftData. Okay, so that's my new onboarding flow. For some reason on simulator sometimes keyboard doesn't work. I would like to change it a little bit. Maybe I will do that today, we'll see. Basically I would like to get into the application to show how it looks like. Okay, that's onboarding flow, that's new. Maybe we will see paywall at the end. Yeah, we see paywall at the end. And yeah, basically this calendar, you basically have the most of the SwiftData kind of fetching and displaying. I figured out how to show mock data to users. Mock data to users? Why would you like to show mock data to users? I'm trying to save data without saving it. I know how to do that for core data, but for SwiftData you probably also just create local data models and yeah, but I don't know why would you like to do that. Because for example, I will tell you what I do. So let's delete this one. I didn't want to launch empty application. I launched it as an empty application first, but then I kind of added few questions on beginning, and then I'm asking basically user, okay, what habits would you like to achieve with habit tracking? And then I'm suggesting, okay, maybe you would like to start those habits, meditation, what else not, you know. Then user just clicks and getting bumps. Here is your habit for breath exercises, and then you have it already here, and then you have it already here. You don't need empty state or some mock data. That's how I solved it, you know. Since I know SQL pretty well, I'm tempted to switch to... Yeah. Koliko gribēji? Okay. Nu te nāc maliņā. Jā, skaisti. If user is not subscribed, I want to show example of how it looks, but I don't want to save this data. Oh, okay. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, I don't know. I don't mind. I usually in my applications have a very generous kind of free tier. I don't mind that users are using it for free. For example, this habit tracking application, you have all the functionality. Only limitation for now is you can't add more than 4 habits. Because I personally tracking 3 habits. I think no one really needs more than 3 habits to track. Okay, if you need more, you have 4 habits to track. And if you really need more, then you have to kind of buy premium version of the application. But yeah. In core data, it's quite simple, but SwiftData is so much faster. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like to have some test data in applications. I see that how it can be necessary in some cases, but I basically solve it like that, this problem. Just kind of suggested helping users to create data. That's it. And now, actually today, my goal was, I figured out that I have a few hours and I wanted to check if my OBS setup is working. It kind of works. And from development perspective, I didn't have a plan to do anything today, but I will change my onboarding flow a little bit. Let's do that. YouTube, yes. Let me fix that quickly. Okay, Ben, now you should be able to post links. I have limitation. Only moderators can publish links, because before that it was some bots basically posted some porn links. But then basically I added this limitation that links are not available to post, and also only subscribers, channel subscribers can post. Put in timeout, yeah. Almost, yeah. Yeah, now I see that you have mod rights, you should be able to post links. And you can ban, yeah, me. It doesn't work on iOS 17. Interesting. Okay. Screencast series. Oh, you have SwiftData. Interesting. I will need to resubscribe. I used your series about, what was that? Kiss? Not Kiss. What was that? That was basically really great. I watched those twice, I think. Something about security. How it was that abbreviation? Not Kiss. Solid. Solid. Yeah. Solid. That's great. Everyone should watch this Solid thing if you are in iOS development. I watched testing, I watched Solid, and yeah, and it seems that I need to go back for SwiftData as well, because yeah, I'm just messing around with SwiftData here. It works kinda, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm doing that right. And yeah, that's true that SwiftData is very kind of new, and there are, I don't know, besides Apple documentation, and probably there are already plenty of tutorials, but yeah, I didn't kind of really search for them. Okay, where is my browser? Here it is. Here is interesting post. If you're interested, I will share a link with you. Okay, here is the link. Hey Sneaky Fox Studio, hello, and link in Twitch chat as well. This is very interesting, kind of, if you are kind of looking on onboarding flows from, I don't know, research perspective to make your onboarding better. I think this is cool. This onboarding flow is for App Explode, which is going viral right now. And here is kind of thing which I saw in other applications. That's how to ask for push notifications. Basically, you are showing this push notification a little bit before you really kind of ask it. I would like copy that, because in my onboarding flow, it's not really cool. I have, let me see if previews are working. Show me preview, please. Okay, well, it's getting ready. So I think this is kind of nice and clean way how to prepare users for push notifications, to get them ready to click that allow button. Okay, let's fight. Almost. Getting closer. Okay, here it is. And basically I'm saying that stay on track, basically get reminders. I'm just saying why we need those push notifications, which probably is not a bad way to say that, but could be cool to basically show something similar as well. And then I like, okay, that's how, yeah. Then I kind of like this visually, how this part looks. It's kind of making those fonts big and so on. I'm asking for username as well here, but the design is kind of very, I don't know, nothing. I will steal this idea to make those fonts bigger. I just think it looks better. And then is one thing which is really cool here. Basically, I don't need it in my application, but I just really like this idea. Basically, in this onboarding flow, you start to see the video, which is played like picture in picture while you are going into the settings and doing those things which are told you to do in the onboarding flow. I think that is kind of really smart idea. You know, this is already here user is already outside from the application, and this small box is video, picture in picture, when you see what should you do there in settings. I think it's very smart. I like this idea. I don't need that in my app, but just saying. And yeah, then there is thing for virality. Basically here is basically that application is, I didn't tell, yeah, application is basically something like Snapchat, which I do not use and I don't really know how Snapchat works, but basically in Snapchat when you send pictures they are kind of disappearing. Here you can send pictures in messages app and they will disappear as well, so that's kind of cool feature. I could see why that is cool, you know, I'm old Gen X guy and all pictures from my 20s are disappeared, and that's cool. And yeah, but if I would have social networks in my 20s, I will be happy to use apps like that, you know. And you should have access to... I have access to screencasts. Oh, thank you. That's cool. Thank you very much. If, yeah. Yeah, Nikita is known for the viral apps, and this application is going viral, yeah. And yeah, thank you very much, Ben. I will definitely take a look in that, in those SwiftData videos. I'll try to give back by sharing that on live streams and videos. I hope that will be some kind of symbiosis here. And yeah, I like this idea. For example, this kind of viral thing. Basically, app is saying, okay, send 3 photos and get 3 months for Explode. And I was thinking, yeah, that's kind of cool idea. Can we use that in each and every application? No, probably not. But I was thinking in my application, I have in onboarding flow, I have this kind of commitment kind of thing. Basically here I'm kind of saying, here I have some kind of summary. Okay, you just saw that onboarding flow. Basically you kind of selecting what kind of goals, what kind of a result you are looking for. Here, for example, you're saying, okay, I would like to improve my productivity. Then you are getting this kind of summary view. In the summary view, we are kind of saying, okay, cool, that's kind of reinforcement. Good job, Ivars, or good job, John. So here is what you committed to do. And then in this commitment view, basically I'm saying that, okay, if you will commit to stick with your goal for 14 or 13 days streak, then basically that's just how it is. Then there is higher chance that you will reach your goals. But here basically I could say you will 5 times more likely reach set goals if you will share your plan with your friend, and I will give you, and then I can give also in advance 1 month free to you and your friend. So I think that could be not only just trying to exploit this kind of virality and kind of getting whatever more users and so on, but that really helps, you know, if you share your goals with someone. So that's got me into thinking about that, yeah. So I think ideas like that could basically implemented in many other applications as well. And what else? Probably nothing for me. Oh yeah, and this is really kind of cool. You can basically... Yeah, exactly, Ben. that can increase conversion in each and every way. Basically, that can get some little bit viral kind of sharing in between friends. That can help with retention, because then I can ask, oh, Ben, are you still sticking with your goals? And you can say, oh, yeah, kind of, yes, I'm still kind of have app installed and I'm sticking with goals. So retention, conversion, sharing between friends, and so on. Another interesting thing what you can see in this onboarding flow here, that's basically you see some kind of deadline to how much time you left to do that. There is some urgency kind of element that really helps. And also here is live activity on the screen. Also, again, basically kind of a reminder. You can get basically this 3 months and so on and so on. I think all of that can help a lot. Oh, cool. Crash. All of that can help a lot for app kind of growing, but that's really also is kind of helpful to the user who would like to stick with goals and so on. So that's kind of win-win. It doesn't hurt end users, that really helps them and can help to grow application as well. So I'm thinking about implementing this. Maybe not everything, but yeah, there are quite a few good ideas. Basically, that's what I found interesting and useful from this onboarding flow. And yeah, Nikita definitely knows what he's doing. Yeah, he's kind of well-known indie developer and making shitload of money, so... Have you seen this gift live activity? No. I don't even have app installed on my device. I saw it here in onboarding flow, here, this one. On Explode, yeah, I understand. But you talk about this one, right? Maybe not. I don't have it installed. I kind of had it in back of my mind to install it, but I didn't do that. I just had this tab opened to do not forget about it. So yeah, I'm thinking that there is one more thing what I could do about. I'm asking for notifications for 2 reasons. Basically, to be able to notify about habits if users want to get reminders. But another thing is for the paywall, because if user is going with trial, there are 3 or 5 days free, and then I'm sending a reminder to do not forget about canceling subscription. So we need notification kind of access to notifications for that as well. And then I kind of got thinking about onboarding flow. So I added, where is my browser? I just added Mixpanel, analytics yesterday at night and got them approved by Apple today on the morning. So currently I'm kind of tracking how many, where is my onboarding? Where is my chart? This one? For some reason, I'm 300% sure I saved it. Where it is? Okay, here it is. Here is my report. So today, here we had 7 7 new users basically saw startup view, then 6 of them got to the name input view, and then 4 of them basically followed, and so on. Here we can see how users are falling off from the onboarding flow. And I just started to think, okay, I know that one of the users here was 1 or 2 of users were Apple review team. In one case, they just opened it on the iPad and closed. That I can see from the statistics. But maybe there is also one real user one or two real users who dropped off in this name input screen. And for users like that who didn't finish this kind of onboarding, I could be not so nice anymore, but could send a reminder, basically push notification, hey, you forgot to finish onboarding flow. Did you already drop your, New Year resolutions and all that stuff, I think that could work. And could win few users back, maybe. And yeah, this name input view, that's kind of questionable if we're losing users here, but I would like to wait a little bit more to see more statistics, to see, do I really lose a lot of users here, or that was just, kind of that case with someone who wasn't really interested. I know that definitely it was at least one App Store review employee who just launched it on iPad, and actually there are not so many. We can try to find those events. There are not so many events. So here is someone from Riga. That was me. Someone else. Was that all? That was me? I don't know. Okay, whatever. Maybe. But iPadOS Estonia. Someone on iPad. 9 hours ago. Malang. United States. Yeah, here. This was startup view on iPadOS. Just open it from Los Gatos, I don't know where it is, somewhere in US. Just open it, startup screen on iPadOS, and that's it. That's definitely from review, because that was just shortly after submitting for and starting reviewing. Interesting. Let's go back to the board. How many users do we have here? 13 today, and in onboarding flow there was, there are more numbers. No, somehow I saw less. 7 and what else not? Okay, 13, 12, 9 people, 9 users finished the onboarding. Yeah, still this drop is not huge, but 3 members kind of didn't continue after name input view. I don't know. I still want to have it because it's kind of nice to have username, then I can use it in push notifications, in user interface. I'm using it in push notifications as well. Yeah. Los Gatos is suburb of San Jose. So, yeah, then one more reason to know that, it was Apple review team. And they still do this thing, they testing iPhone only applications on iPad as well, which is the right thing to do, but currently iPad OS kind of supports iOS applications better, but a few years ago that was pain. Yeah, of course. Those numbers are nothing. I need way more data to make decisions on changes in onboarding flow. But I just know that I would like to change those things from design perspective. I like that name input view to look a little bit better. I will go with that bigger font. I kind of saw it today and Let's make it personal. What's your name? What was here in this screen? There was some huge font. Yeah, thanks for coming, Ben. How to run a new in one of the conferences, if not in Finland, then someday. Maybe on WWDC, we'll see. Thanks for coming, yeah. Hello, Draxor. Greetings from Ukraine, do you feel better? Yeah, I'm almost good. Sign up name. Actually, I should download the application. App Store, connect. Explode. Okay, here is the app. I am curious to see how that looks on the screen. In screenshots, that name field looks kind of enormously big. I would like to see on device how it looks like. Okay. Oh, it's immediately asking for push notifications on the very first kind of screen. Okay, I will allow push notifications. Okay, it shows video. Actually, that will be smart to record it. Okay, and then we get a request to the camera, which is of course expected, and then sign up is asking for phone number. It's quite big, yeah. I don't know, it kind of looks a little bit strange, but I kind of like how it looks like. By signing up, explore, you agree to our terms and services. Do I need really to provide phone number? I don't really want to provide phone number. Probably I need. Okay, I will try to enter kind of just wrong phone number. Of course, verify code. Someone lucky with all twos, you know. In phone number. Okay. I will give you my phone number. Verification code. Oh, interesting. They do not support verification code from message, which is easy to implement, but they didn't bother to do that. Because app should be kind of able to get it automatically. Yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, it's bulky, it just says name without much description. First name, last name, okay. Yeah. It looks exactly like that. Huge. Can I make it bigger? I would like to make it somehow more bulky, but not so huge. I don't know, what's your name? Sounds good, bad? What do you think about Sony XM5s? I had XM5s before those. I like sound better in Apple AirPods Pro, but I see why you may like Sony better. Sony is more bassy sounding. Noise cancellation, I don't remember anymore, but I think AirPods Max was better, in my opinion. They are lighter, Sonys are lighter, and yeah, Sony you can connect by cable to whatever you want. AirPods Max do not support cable, so those are pluses. Why would you like to choose Sony over AirPods? I don't know. Currently, you can find them discounted, and if you can get them for a good price, so no-brainer deal, you know. I just wanted what I like better in Apple AirPods. I have AirPods Pro somewhere and AirPods Max on my head. I like better kind of synchronization and switching in between devices, you know. Sony kind of supports up to 2 devices and kind of switching between them, but in Apple and Apple headphones, and it just works better, smoother, you know. Okay, I like this somehow already better, and 32. Let's say something like 40. 42. Show me how that will look, please. Yeah, I like this better. Basically, we need to fill screen here, and this could be something like not body, but some of the titles. Title 2 probably. Yeah, Siri. For analytics you use Mixpanel, but for payment analytics, Revenue Cat or switch to another. In this specific project I am using Adapti. Why? Just because I wanted to test different payment provider. I like reports here, and I like paywall builder, which is better than Revenue Cat, but not great. So it's better. I think it's decent kind of paywall, and you can build it in here, and yeah, it's cool. In Revenue Cat, it's kind of harder to build paywall like that. There are less templates in Revenue Cat paywalls. That's the problem. I think that sooner or later they will fix that, and they will add more templates. But currently it is how it is, you know. Hey Tommy Luco. Yes, as you may see, stream is working on Twitch, and thanks to OBS. Yes. Tommy told me that this app looks like Flutter app. Yeah, my app? Maybe, yeah, a little bit. Sony 250 euros in Germany, but AirPods are 5. Yeah, something like that. I bought Sony MX5s on day one when they released them, and that was something closer to 400, but still cheaper than than AirPods Max. I'm very disappointed about second kind of generation. It's kind of, I don't know, there is just USB-C charger and no more updates, but whatever. I wanted AirPods Max, I bought them, so I'm kind of happy using them. Ad break in progress on Twitch. Okay. Well, we have ad break on Twitch. So if you have problems with AirPods Max, basically if they are kind of too tight to your head, just kind of open them fully like that, you know, and hold for a while, and then that will fix them. Just told them out that make clothes every day and interesting. Yeah, daughters are like that, you know. They're kind of deep water, you know. You don't know what you can expect from them. Where things may happen, you know. Okay, but they're nice. Font weight, let's make it a little bit bolder as well. I just like to make it kind of a little bit more heavy here. You need Ecam channel in OBS. Yeah, you can't get both. It sucks, you know. I like that Ecam chat, but I also would like to be kind of good streamer and provide decent experience on Twitch. So there is one way how we can try to do that, still kind of streaming from Ecam, but not directly to the Twitch, but throws Restream service. That kind of works, but I don't know. It's a bit hassle, you know. A bit of hassle. Okay, can we make this text field now bigger as well? Otherwise, all of that is kind of big and beefy, and text field is not. Text field, probably just name. And here I will use basically the same kind of, just bigger everything, just make everything bigger. Yeah, something like that. Maybe we don't need bold here. Let's try. Actually, here that bold also maybe is a little bit too much. Yeah, it's better, it's bigger. I want it bigger, and this probably just bigger will be also better without this bold here. Hello, dear music player. What's going on? Why we are not playing? Is it first song? It's not first, it's something like last one in the playlist. This one is first. Okay, let's go. Let's start over. I indeed worked until 3 p.m. last night and called it sick for my work. Oh my gosh. And what are you working on? Why didn't you this weekend won't get any sleep? How did you work until 3 p.m. basically? Did you work all the night and then day to 3 p.m.? 3 a.m. Okay. I was kind of doing already kind of weird math around the clock. Okay, yeah, makes sense now. I can't do that anymore, basically. I don't know, something is wrong with my sleep schedule now. Currently, I feel more energized on evenings. I don't want to go sleep, but on the mornings, I'm potato. I'm still waking up early, but I have low energy. I don't know what's going on. Okay, customer's deadline on website, yeah. Okay, will it fit with all the other screens? Basically, in this screen we have nothing that just line to enter name and it looks a little bit empty. I think this way it will look better. This is my startup view. Yeah, this is fine. Oh, moving website even to another website, that sounds like a lot of work, yeah. And to get all of that working, yeah. Okay, I will say this is fine. Name input view, I will say that's fine, I like it now. Let's commit the change before I forget. I suck at sleeping so much, it takes so long to get to sleep. Oh, yeah. I'm not bad at getting I can fall asleep quite fast. I have no problems with that, but I don't know, I messed something up with my sleep schedule, probably with those late live streams. I'm still waking up early. When I'm going to the bed, I'm kind of falling asleep quickly, but probably I just do not sleep enough. I'm sleeping something like 6 hours. That's probably not enough. I need to push to 8, but that means going to sleep earlier. But I should go to the bed now. It is 10:30 in p.m. in the afternoon. It's 11:30, so I should go and start sleeping now, but I just finished, not even finished coffee. And I don't really want to sleep. I want to hang out with you guys and make some changes in my app. Yeah, I don't know. All servers shut off 10 a.m. this morning. Oh. Six hours of good sleep will be amazing. Yeah. You didn't have 6 hours? Dude. For me, 6 hours is comfortable kind of night. Actually, I was... okay, let's take a look on numbers. Sleep plus. So yeah, I'm doing something like that. So it's something like 6 hours in average. It is 6 hours last night, then 5:42. Then I got 7, and check this out, 10 hours night, 10 hours, 9 hours. Oh, I was a champion. What was that? Oh, that was last weekend before. Yeah, it was Sunday. Can we remove that? Yeah. Check this out. You should be jealous now. 7 hours night, 10 hours night, 9 hours night. before. Almost 9 hours night, 7 hours. Yeah. Okay, but there was also kind of 2 hours night as well. And this was crazy. It was when I had 39 degrees temperature. Basically, I was sleeping in after being very sick, so that was the reason why I slept so much. But yeah, my average sleep is around 5 hours. That's not enough. Yeah. Oh, you just can't. Yeah, that's not good. Then it's not good. I'm sleeping something like 7 hours in average, 6 to 7. And that's kind of good. Let me go to the dashboard, sleep. 6 months. Oh, actually, I didn't even know that I'm doing so great. Is it really possible? Check this out. Yeah, that's basically last 6 months. Can it be possible? Average time in bed, average time sleep 9, almost 10 hours? Can it be possible? It's kind of strange, because if I'm switching to the week, it shows this week average is something like 7 hours. It's very inconsistent. Basically, there are a few days a lot sleeping, few days not a lot. Then, and when I'm going to months, then I see 7 hours, which I believe. But in 6 months, I see something like 10 hours of sleep in average, which kind of... I'm not sure if I can believe into the data. It sounds quite a lot. I'm happy if that's real, but... Struggle sleeping, that's crazy, man. That's very bad. That's very bad. I think it's also how easy I wake up due to traffic the last couple of days, and then I go back to sleep and I can't. Yeah. Yeah, for me, my wife is waking up now. She's getting ready for job at something like 6:37. Then she's waking me up, and I am kind of trying to get in a bed at around 10. But when I'm doing live streams, or just staying up longer, then that happens at 12, maybe later, Yeah, but I can't complain, really, comparing with you guys. It sounds so bad. Yeah, okay, for this screen, I think I could replace it with... I really like better this approach. I would really like to show something like that in this screen. I think that's better than this picture. And I can just screenshot probably this request. Yeah, I have no doubt that you are always tired. I was sleeping. So when I was studying in university, every Saturday. And I was working at 2 jobs. I was in police, and also I was bartender, and also I just had kind of security, also kind of third job. And in security, basically, I was working crazy hours, and learning, studying, and working a lot of hours. And basically, my longest in uninterrupted sleep time was 4 hours. And then basically I tried to sleep, somewhere in the car, in between kind of jobs, what else not, That was crazy. I was always tired and so on. But I was in my 20s, mid-20s. That's different when you are in 20s and when you are in 40s, And yeah, then I just found that, yeah, that's probably not healthy when I just driving home from a bar. I was working as a bartender at night, and I was driving at home at something like 5 or 6 in the morning. I don't remember, whatever. And yeah, very early morning, and I had something like 5 or 6 traffic lights until the home, and I felt asleep on few red lights on my ride home. It was definitely way too much. Yeah, exactly. In your 20s, you can do different things. In your 40s or late 40s, like in my case, one thing is you can't, but another thing, you just understand that no, I'm not doing that. You just do not do those things, you know. I'm glad that I have a long time till I'm 40. Yeah, that's good, yeah. Enjoy your time, and yeah, it's kind of interesting. I always my son is in 20s, and I always kind of it's always interesting that I see I'm looking on other guys in 20s, and I see myself in 20s, and I see that I could say what to do, what to not to do, and so on. But I totally know that I would not listen myself when I was in 20s. And yeah, I'm happy for those guys who are doing kind of smart things in 20s, you know. Yeah, exactly. In our age, we wake up and feel our knees. Yes. And sometimes you just wake up and you feel that, oh, your back is hurting just because you slept on it all night. It happens sometimes. I do not complain about health. It's kind of fine, but yeah. Days like that happens. Oh no, I'm thinking, how can I get that screenshot? I can get that screenshot on simulator I don't want to delete application on my device. I will delete it on simulator, and I will get back to the onboarding flow, and I will get this push notification request, and I will screenshot it. That's what I will do. Okay, delete app. During the day, I get up and my knees hurt so bad. Yes, when you lie down on the wrong side somewhere, it's kind of... Only 18 more years and I'm 40. I will be 50 in this year. On this year? Wait a minute. Yes, in this year. I will be 50 in this year. In November. Left shoulder all gender becomes really apparent after I drank a few beers. Really? Yeah. So let me start with that. The drinking after drinking a few beers on next day, everything becomes kind of very itchy. Yeah. But all the injuries, yeah, that's the thing, you know. From your 20s up to even 30s, you basically whatever, or you can do whatever you want with your body, and it just works. But after that, you start to feel, After that, you start to feel all the old injuries, you know. Oh, what's going on? Are we building project? Yes, we do. Why we got this animation twice? What's happened? What was that? Show me that one more time. Yeah, you know, in your 20s you can drink all night, party all night, and on the morning you can go to the work, you know, and after work go and continue to partying, you know. But you can do that only in 20s. Do not try to do that in 30s. No, it was twice again. And yeah, better do not try to do that in your 30s already, because from 30s to 40s you already start to... You should be careful. Do I do animate icon, animate text? Yeah, exactly, Tommy. That was possible. Hey, Marco, hello. Hey, hey, hey. See, we are on Twitch and stream is working. Hopefully. Good old days. Yeah, yeah. Everyone I know in their 20s also are in uni and do micro SaaS. Yeah, and that's why I'm saying that I'm happy about those guys in 20s who are doing kind of right things already, kind of building businesses and so on. I do not complain. I do not have any kind of regrets about my 20s. And I don't know what was better in my 20s, to partying all night, you know, and do that shit. What Tommy is saying, but yeah, and also I'm kind of surprised to be around after all of that, you know. It's really, honestly, I'm surprised as well. Falling out from the windows, you know, whatever, you know, riding on motorcycle without helmet, anything, you know, it's just, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm happy for those guys who are doing business in their 20s. It's good, but I don't know. I do not regret that. I'm 27 and already have regrets. Oh my gosh. I was working hard to pay rent and buy vodka. Same, dude. Poker in casinos? No, casinos wasn't a thing. It was, but casinos were kind of... It's expensive. I was working in constructions. Okay, what's going on here? In your 20s, you like a rubber dummy and feel like nothing can kill you. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. My wife knows me since I was 22, 23, so she saw a lot of that. Casinos is how I made my living back then. Interesting. That's interesting. Animation, dumping effect. Why it's triggered twice? Let's try to start it again. I don't know what's going on, but somehow it's triggered twice. Does it happen twice? One animation? Another one. Why? Are we launching the screen twice? What really happens here? Let's take a look. Maybe I just have two instances of that screen. Push it to the view. That could happen. Because from code it looks that animation should happen just once. Do we have it twice here? Kind of no, just one entity, all good. Hosting view controller, yeah, that looks fine. I met my wife when I was 25, and that was already at the time I decided to leave the wildlife behind. Yeah, I'm married at 26, 25, 26. That was also my kind of switching point to becoming a bit more responsible person. So I got I married first. We already decided to make family, married. Then I got my first kid a year later. And yeah, I become a little bit more responsible. Okay, much more responsible person. And luckily for me, all of that happened before social media, you know. Vision and media incident where I thought I broke your internet where I couldn't ping Google. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know. I think there are so many different ways to have fun, you know, and nowadays living healthy is more trendy, and I think it's better choice than kind of drinking and doing dumb shit that you do not even remember after. I'm just saying that I do not regret what I did, but I definitely will not repeat that with my current mindset, and I think with current life possibilities as well, hopefully. Because back in the days when backstory, I born in Soviet Union, and then it was in my 20s here in Latvia. It was 90s, what was very wild kind of time. Part of my friends went into the police, part of the friends went into the how do you name it, gangsters, not gangsters, mafia, I don't know, just it was very kind of, let's say, interesting time. And there wasn't too many possibilities to do kind of legal business, especially in IT. What IT? That wasn't a thing back in the days. It was tricky, you know. So still good that I'm alive and not in the prison, and yeah, all good, nothing to regret. Okay, what happened now? So I was... Okay, whatever, let's solve that problem with this double pop-up later. Yeah, it's popping twice. Why? Okay, let's get that screenshot for push notification. Okay, I like how this looks now. It's better, a little bit more bold. Cool. Let's go with this. IT punch cards. Yeah, exactly. That was... It was a little bit after that already, but yeah. Okay, here is my push notification. I would like to screenshot this. And how that will look if I will be in the dark mode. Dark mode. Hello, switch over already. Okay. Yeah, we basically need two screenshots. We need dark and white mode and show correct example, probably. Let's do this screenshot as well. You lucky you lived in golden time of IT. I don't know. So I still have my... Give me a second. I scared the shit out of my dog. But here I found this thing. So that's my kind of golden age of IT. This is my very, very first computer, ZX Spectrum. So, I don't know. Games wasn't so good looking as they are nowadays. Programming was kind of easier, way easier than today. But learning to do any programming was way harder because there wasn't books, there wasn't videos and so on. It was kind of tricky. I think that golden age of IT is now. That's how I feel it because of those all the possibilities that you can build SaaS, you can build apps and so on. Hey Paul, hello. Nice to have you here. So yeah, I'm streaming again. By the way, guys, I'm taking the streaming thing seriously, you know, second stream this week. Also, I told yesterday that I will put this money, some money that I'm kind of getting from streams and so on, to the streaming, and I ordered a monitor, second monitor, so I will be able to stream more kind of comfortable and see chat and everything. Now it's second golden age. Yeah, it's the market is changing, shifting big time. And yeah, I see what Roman's saying now. Yeah, today AI is taking all the pleasure out of the programming. Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah. Buying another Mac monitor. I actually ordered a gaming monitor because what's the point of having two Mac monitors, you know? Because for programming, I really need just one screen. That's enough. I do not really need two screens. It's kind of cool to have secondary screen for additional information and so on, but really for real kind of work, I need just one screen. That's enough. And I ordered OLED gaming monitor. I'm getting it tomorrow, so I will record some video, I will do something, you know, with that. And I bought just, you know, let me see. It was something like this one. Yeah, this one. That's basically one of the cheapest. But I watched quite few reviews today. This is one of the cheapest OLED monitors, but basically that is the same matrix that is in more expensive monitors. It is available tomorrow already. And so yeah, I decided to go with this one. It looks ugly, but most of them are looking ugly. I don't know why. Hello from Costa Rica. Hello, hello. Ben Hassi is iOS developer since 2017. Oh my gosh. Working as indie dev back then. What do you think about creating company to make big numbers? I don't know how that's related. Creating company to make big numbers. What do you mean? Why do you need company to have more than only you developers? Or why? I don't know. If you was working as an indie developer back in 2017, so basic at the basic level, that's nothing is changed. That's still the same. You don't need big team to build product, right? And you can make big numbers. Yeah, sure, you need some legal entity, but yeah. I see you decided to go PC with your setup. Oh, kind of moving slowly to that direction. I need only one monitor with window management too. Yeah, it's kind of enough. Yeah, I'm one letter short on having my app names. 7 Wonders Dual Score Calculator. 7 Wonder Dual Score Calculator. what ChatGPT is saying. Can I copy this? Calculator. Probably you can use some different name instead of calculator. Yeah, probably I need that monitor, some monitor arm or something, and OpenAI. Short? No, one character too long. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13%, 17%, 9%. Do this, do this, do this, read this, chat, do speed, do search, do 17, 29. How many characters do you have, Marco, here? It looks like 29. You have 30 characters for app name. Yeah, this one is good, I think. Calc. Scoring as well, not bad. But are you really too long? Because it not should be. It is max. It is max. You have limitation for maximum kind of length. Yeah, title and subtitle is up to 30. You can use 5 characters. Of course, you are missing out, but it is up to 30, and it looks like something 29 or something. I'm too lazy to calculate how. I'm that lazy. I'm so lazy. How much characters are here? Oh, it is 31. So, yeah, you have one character too much. Yeah, all good. Yeah, it's one character too much. It should be up to 30. So, something like this, for example, called Dvork. Seven Wonders Duel scoring. It will take score, and it's also kind of scoring, yeah. Which language do you use for backend? I do not use backend. I use SwiftData and CloudKit. What's your opinion about Kotlin multi-platform to create iOS and Android app? I think that is the best choice if you need multi-platform development tool, but be aware that not all the third-party libraries are supported. For example, RevenueCat supports Kotlin multi-platform, but if you would like to use analytics, for example, this Mixpanel do not support Kotlin multi-platform and so on. Probably that's not a problem for you, but yeah. I first asked ChatGPT what time is it. Yeah, that's on that level. I totally understand. I when I wrote this, I totally understand that. But sometimes you're that lazy. That's me. I know, but some banks does not accept payment with big number like 30K, and Apple also does not give a value to individual account. Wait, but that's not a problem to make company. I started as a individual developer and then switched to the company. That's easy. I use Cloud AI and think it's much better than ChatGPT. I use both and compared them, and if you are talking about programming, I think you're right. But if you are talking about stuff like this, like writing, depends, but often ChatGPT is better. Okay, where I was. Okay, I remember where I was. I'm just slacking, but desktop, where are my screenshots? Here it is. So if I will open it, I think I could cut it out in the pixelmator. Let's see. Can I remove background? I basically need this pop-up. Oops. Nope. Remove background. Will that work? Probably no. Maybe. Let's see. Nice. Power of AI. Perfect. Now we need just to erase a little bit more here. Oh, that was kind of smooth, actually. And that's it. Yes, okay. Let's save this one. Export as PNG probably, right? Notifications dark. This will be notifications dark. Desktop, where can I put it? As is App Store screenshots. Okay, I just felt that I need to explain this. Do we have design? Something? Okay, I will drop it on the desktop, whatever. Notifications dark. Oh, hey, is that Flutter? Hello. That is Flutter, of course. Sure it is. Sure it is. Nunchi recognized it immediately. Okay, let's open that another one. Open. Now. File, open. Now I just want my screenshot, where it is. It should be on desktop. This one is light one. Okay, open that. Okay, let's try one more time that remove background thing. Hopefully it will work with this one as well. Yeah, it's decent. I would say it's decent. Flutter app written in Swift. Exactly. Exactly. Okay, let's try to clean it up a little bit. I would say this is my best $20 investment ever. Great application. I still have Photoshop because I'm using Lightroom, but I don't know. Can I somehow... But yeah, this application was something like on sale or something. $20. One-time purchase. Crazy. How that's even possible? And now Apple bought them. And actually this app is guys from Lithuania built it. I'm pretty sure. I don't think we need a very kind of good job here with deleting. I think this will work just fine. Swift is multi-platform after all. Yeah, it is. What is this for? Are you asking about this thing? I would like to use it as asset in the app. No, you don't need anything like that for App Store. Ever tried to switch to React Native? It is better, I know, but I promised to my parents to do not do any of those cross-platform things. I just can't, you know. I would like try all of that. Flutter, React Native, Ionics, you know. I can't. Pixel photo on the iPhone is much better. Oh, interesting. Yeah, maybe. I probably have Mac version only. I'm not sure. Is it multi-platform app? Multi-platform purchase? I don't even know if I have it. I'll install it then. Okay, let's save it. No, we need PNG. File, export. To PNG, yes, that's correct. What's that frame? I hope that's without background. Wait a minute. How I saved that previous image? Here it is. Oh yeah, I have this frame. Okay, we need to crop it. Okay, let's crop it first. Something like that. And that is background is transparent anyway, so that's fine to have a little bit around. I want to have this road nest here. Okay. Yep, that's what we need. Okay, let's save it now. Have you also done Android development before? Yes, but to be honest, that before was back when Samsung Galaxy was released. Samsung Galaxy S was released, so not Samsung Galaxy S1 or 2 or 3, but Samsung Galaxy S. And I had my Android device one was Galaxy, another was HTC Desire, HTC. No, even before something was Hero. Yeah. HTC's Hero. Yeah, this one. So that's when I did Android development. That was back when you used Java for Android app development, and ID was Eclipse. Horrible times. Now I will use those image alerts as assets in application. Notifications, this will be notification light. I will show you why I'm planning to use it. Okay, let's save this one and let's crop this one as well and resave it as a smaller asset. Okay, something like that. File, save, where is my export? What's going on? Apply, okay. File export. Notification dark. Okay, replace. Yes, please replace. Eclipse still gives me nightmares. I know. Same here, you know. I know, Marco. Eclipse for Java was bad. Eclipse for Android was horrible. Yes, exactly. Okay, that's it. No, we will not save this, and we will not save this. We need just end result. We're fine. I'm confident that we can drop it. Okay, let's put that in assets catalog. Okay, I'll be back. Give me Okay, I'm back. Doesn't matter how you look at it, it was bad. Yeah, Eclipse was horribly bad. Never used Eclipse, always was IntelliJ guy. But was IntelliJ around in 2008, 2009? I'm not sure. Hello, Carl. Are you sure, Foxbit, that you used IntelliJ in 2009? IntelliJ is around since 2001. Cool, cool. Okay. I believe you. Good to know. But yeah, there wasn't Android Studio back then. And I'm 99% sure that Eclipse was kind of recommended by Apple ID for Android development. It was bad. It was horribly bad. Okay, so idea is that I will show come on, reviews. Can we be a little bit more fast? Xcode, you can do better. So idea is that I will show that image here. Basically, here we will have to stay on track. Here it is. Image will be notification. Come on, autocomplete, you can do it. Notification ID, notification. How I name it, those assets? I already forgot. I can't remember so many things, you know. I was on that screen. Yeah, I remember it correctly. Notification dark, notification light. I can't remember what happened in another screen. It's not how my brain works. Yeah, this one, please. I wanted to tell you that your new app doesn't look right on iPhones that have home button, like mine, which is iPhone 7. Oh, thank you for telling that. But yeah, I have to say that I didn't really test them. I should. You're right. Of course, I should. Oh, what's that? What's that line around here that looks bad? Huh. Somehow it's not clean enough. Okay, if that will be smaller, of course. They will need to remove that line anyways here, but if that will be smaller. So the idea is that I would like to show this one and kind of show the arrow here. So you will need to push this allow button. Be good boy. Something like that, you know. Yeah, thank you for saying that, Alexander. I will check, I will test on smaller device. Honestly, I tested it for a while ago. Yeah, even smaller, it doesn't look good. We need to fix that image. Do you have favorite keyboard? I don't know, yes and no. Kind of. Currently I'm using this Iconics. I think it's good, you know. Is it my favorite? I don't know. I like this one keyboard a lot, but I just can't type on it kind of fast enough. But it's really cool. I like how it looks. I like it there behind it. I like everything in it, but is it my favorite one? Probably not. This one is cool. I really like how it looks. I like form factor of it, but switches are too light and I like heavier switches, so changeable, of course. I can change it, but I don't know. I didn't. And this don't have any backlight. I think that they're missing out. With orange backlight, it will look so good, you know. no backlight at all. This one, check out this kind of yellowish backlight here, is looking really dope. Yellow keyboard, white with yellow, and this yellow back. Okay, let's less light. So yellow backlight with yellow, and of course this RGB, you can change it, but I'm using it with yellow backlight, so it looks so much better. I could say those are my favorite keyboards because those 3 keyboards are around me and I'm switching in between them currently. I have a few more, but yeah, those are my favorites. No, that's not Moonlander. This one is ZX75. Actually, this camera probably do better job showing. Yeah, ZX75. I changed switches in it. Currently, I have Holy Pandas in it, and probably I did something else. Yeah, seems that I did that blue tape mod for this keyboard, so stuff like that, you know. And I loved those Holy Pandas when I got them, but currently they feel a little bit too heavy. Moonlander is a split. No, it is not. It is not Moonlander. That's. This one is Defi by Digma. It works without cables as well. I just charged it, but that works like Bluetooth as well. Keyboard. Here it is. Defi. Yeah. Digma Defi keyboard. Really cool keyboard. I love it, but I'm horribly bad at typing on it. Yeah. One sec. Oi, cik skaisti.
Man tik jau sanāca. Viņš tur tā reāli gulēja. Es uzsēdu sevišķi, ka es taisīju grūti žērstu, un tur arī gulēja.
Jā, ļoti skaisti. So yeah, if I have to say which is my favorite, then currently this is my favorite, but I'm typing horribly slow on this keyboard. And I kind of like it. I'm starting to use it, trying to kind of get better in typing, and then I got annoyed because I'm typing slow and switching back to the regular keyboards. That's my life. 10x developer, yeah, exactly. I'm becoming 10x developer when I'm switching back to the regular keyboard. If you had to start all over, would you choose? If you had to start all over, would you choose 15 M3 MacBook Air, 16? Would you choose? Depends on budget. If I have more money, I will buy. The. Then I will buy basically the same Mac that I have, but with M4 chip. That's it. I have 16-inch MacBook Pro, and I will buy the same. But that always depends on budget, you know. But okay, but I don't think there was a community-free version in. Yeah. Digma only works with NeoVim. Okay. And what's that practice thing here? Yeah, you sent this game to me multiple times. I played it a few times. I know, it's me. It's only me. I should blame me. But you know, I do not do just practice for practice. That's the problem. And then I decide, okay, this week I will use that keyboard. I'm switching to that keyboard, and I need to write. And then I get very slow. Then I getting annoyed by that I'm slow, and then I'm switching back to the regular keyboard. Yeah, I should. Yeah, you're absolutely true. You're right. I should practice. Will I do practice? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, something like that. And then we need pointing thing. Yeah, it looks a little bit too bad, actually. It was looking better in the app. Let's see if I will say that remove background just one more time. Yeah, because here, yeah, now when I'm zooming, I can see it is not perfectly smooth. Smarter is. Let's try remove background one more time. Yeah, it is still here, and this is not. Can I crop it somehow? Yeah, see you, Marco. Thank you for coming. Thank you for a reminder about that typing trainer. I will try to press letters that were already on the other split keyboard when I'm starting to transfer. Yeah, it happens sometimes, I will say. I have used split keyboards before. I used Microsoft Sculpt for years. But I don't know how, but I somehow managed to do not learn touch typing even by using it for many years. Bad habits, you know. Yeah, it doesn't look so bad here, but yeah, now I see this line should go. And if I will do this smart erase, yeah, it is not working good. It's making it worse. Okay, we need to go to the regular erase thing. Oh, it's way too big. Brush size, go smaller. Basically, this line. Yeah, I don't know how you can do. How could I do just a straight line? Yeah, it doesn't look good. Ouch. Very bad. Yeah, if I will go like that. Yeah, there should be better ways somehow to delete, to do straight line, because this kind of with delete brush is looking very, very bad. If that will be square, of course we could just crop it a little bit, but we need those round corners. Maybe we can do something like put some figure over it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, some mask should work. Shape. Do we have a rounded rectangle? Yes, we have. Oh, I need just one. If I will put this rounded rectangle somehow here, then I should be able to use it as a mask somehow. I don't know how that really works, but let's try. Move it to the little bit to the left. I wanted to ask you something. Okay, ask. I just released a new app and now they launched 2 free trials with conversion rate 2%. Is it normal for the first release not to reach many users? Yeah, it is normal not to reach many users, of course. It's not normal if you just releasing up in the App Store and getting shitload of downloads. That's kind of strange. You need to do some marketing to get downloads. That's one thing. Converting 2% from users, is it from free to paying customers, or is it from kind of seeing your app in the App Store to the download? If you're converting to the paying customers 2% from all users, it's okay, could be better, but not bad. But if you are kind of asking this type of question, probably you have very little amount of downloads, and with little amount of downloads, that statistics doesn't make much sense. You need kind of bigger numbers to make some decisions, something like that. Okay, so this should somehow, can I do something like masking, add mask, here is add mask with shape, okay. Oh, mask with shape, that will give me option to do new shape. Let's try mask, what happens. Okay, and did I cut it? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here. Basically, I need to do something like that. I think some kind of masking. Let's do a little bit of Control Z. One more Control Z, one more. Can I? Okay, good. Let's try, let's make it a little bit. Oh, what did I do? Oh, what happened? Why it looks different? Yeah, because here. Okay, here it is. Okay, good. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm trying to play around with that masking. Okay, if I will do now add mask. Yeah, it doesn't cut it. Seems that we need to read user manual, right? What is App Store receive signing certificates? Oh, you probably tried to write it in the Google and accidentally posted that in the chat. It's very kind of question that you could Google. I don't know exact definition. I can kind of try to explain on fingers how I understand that from my weak memories about this topic. But definitely, if you will try exactly the same question, post it in Google, you will get the definition. If you have some kind of practical question about kind of in-app purchases and so on, then probably chat will give you better answer than Google, but I don't see good reason to use chat as a Google search. Okay. Pixelmator Pro. Cut, something like cut with shape, cut with shape. Something like this, cut shape out of the photo, let's see. Yeah, I will be happy to find the link I just clicked. Clipping masks. Yeah, that's something like clipping masks. We need something like clipping. Pixelmator Pro, clipping mask. Just like, you know, in the programming, you do not really know what to do, but you know that you should search for something like that, and then you can find the way how to do this. Okay, here is something. This is clipping throws text. Choose format mask, create clipping mask from format menu. Okay, we need to create clipping mask. Okay, let's try. Let's hide this thing. That was from format. Format. Shape. No. Stroke with brush. Styles. Advanced. Where it was. In format we should have mask. Format. I don't see mask here. Oh, here is mask. Okay. Add mask. Mask with shape. Okay, let's try a mask with shape. I don't see clipping mask here as option. Let's try a mask with shape. They basically do what I wanted to do. That's cool. We just need to change a radius of the angle. That's actually exactly what I need. Okay, that radius is still too aggressive. Yeah, that's that. That's it. Basically, that's what I needed. Oh, welcome, welcome. Thanks for sub. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for subscribing on YouTube. Okay, so now we can export it. This was light one. Notifications light. Yes, please replace it. And let's do the same thing for notifications dark. Okay, format. Where it was. Mask, mask, mask. Mask with shape, rounded rectangle. Booms. Perfecto. What was radius? 50? That's quite a lot, but okay. Yeah, that seems that 50 could be correct. Zoom in. Let's cut a little bit, just a little bit from each side to remove that not so nice border. Okay, that should be it. Done. Okay, file, export again. And this will be notification dark. And replace. Perfecto. Okay, so now we need to replace assets. Notification light, booms, and notification dark, booms. Okay, and that already should start to look better, I hope. Come on, can we see preview, please? Okay, it's much better. I will not say it's perfect. There is something here. This is still not 100% perfect, but probably I can live with it. Yeah, and we need something like pointing arrow, and we need to use dark or light that push notification accordingly. How can we detect light mode and dark mode? I don't remember. Swift UI detect dark mode. Oh, hacking with Swift as always comes to help. Color scheme. Okay, here it is. Environment object color scheme. Okay, let's put it here. And then we basically color scheme is dark. So if color theme is dark, then we will show come on, autocomplete, you can do that. Notification, dark, yes, perfect. Okay, let's build and run, just to see it, how it looks on simulator. Maybe we need to adjust that image size, what else not. Yeah, border will help. It will look better. I just want to see first how it looks by size and all that stuff. Then I would like to add border around, and then I would like to add animation when we are kind of pointing to that allow thing. Yeah, that's a good suggestion. Yeah, definitely. Border will help. It will make it kind of nicer. Thanks. Okay, well, it's building, it will build, I don't know how long. I think we can even add, some shadow. Yeah, at this point, I don't know. Oh, that's real push notification. Okay. I was confused. That's a real request for push notification, because last time when we launched the application, we left it hanging on that step. Interesting. Anyways, whatever. It's on iOS. Actually, we could add also shadow here. How do you add shadows? I don't remember already. Shadow, just shadow. Yeah, corner radius. 4. Somehow you should say also direction of shadow. I don't remember anything of those SwiftUI modifiers. Also, we can add border, something like that. There should be border or something. Border, yeah, border. Probably. Shape style, something like eclipse. Yeah, probably I need to Google. Yeah, drop shadow will help, but something like it was rounded line, or I don't remember those modifiers. My memory is shit. Swift UI, border, and shadow around image. Can we do around image? Maybe there are different modifiers. Circle fill. Yeah, here it is, shadow radius, and then we have border like that. I was on right kind of path, but not close enough. Shadow radius was right direction, border was also close. Probably we don't need red, we need something like dark gray. Secondary will work fine. Width, that's too much, let's say 1. Can we get preview, please? Preview paused. Show me. I'm working on a new project, needs to create web mobile version of the app. My initial approach is to use React Native for web mobile. What do you think? I didn't build a single web project in my developer's career. So, I don't know, be careful who you're asking about. I don't know, but yeah, generally React Native works fine. Oh my gosh, yeah, this border will not work, because for border we need to set radius as well, but shadow looks okay-ish. And I could add radius to the border, but then we need to match the image perfectly, and that's kind of will not work great. So yeah, I don't use React Native. I didn't build a single production web project. I'm building only mobile applications, only for Apple ecosystem. But yeah, I will say yes. I think shadow works nicely. What do you think, Foxbit? You already say that shadow is nice. Okay, thank you. I think that will look good. And in dark mode, probably we will have that shadow anyways, but probably we will not see it. It is here, it is secondary color. Yeah, we do not see it, but it looks fine in dark mode already. Yep. Yeah, I like it. I like it. This one looks cool. I like it. And we need some kind of animation. Here, I would like to somehow point user. I will basically what I am trying to say here. I will show you push notifications. Please allow them. Even increase radius. No, let's try 7. 10 I think will be too much. I like shadows in user interface. I know and agree that too much shadows looks kind of ugly, but I like them. I think this one looks nice. Yeah, that's looking good. Perfect. Yeah, thank you. And for animation, I don't know good way how to animate it, but I know that there is this, I just forgot, Airbnb created library for animations. How it was named? Airbnb. Animation. Library. Something like Lottie. Yeah, Lottie, exactly. It's dependency, but I think it's kind of... It's nice. Nice one. Yeah, we need arrows like that, something like this. For example, this one could work. We'll turn it around, show it to the top. Actually, orange could work because our accent color in the app is orange. Some orange arrows. And we are spending now shitload of time on unimportant things, but I believe that onboarding is very important. And this is onboarding. I think it makes sense to invest time and energy in that. Setting up your workspace. Come on, really? I already almost found everything I need. Okay, and now we moved. I don't know where. Where are arrows? Where are arrows? There was arrows. Search arrow. Alright, there were. Come on, really? iTools. Lottie Creator. Collections? Okay, those are my collections. I don't need collections. I don't need premium animations. I want to find cheap developer portal. No. Premium animations, free community animations. Okay, here it is. Show me free animations first. I don't think I really jumping into subscription because of one arrow, but who knows, we'll see. Which stream of revenue is bigger for you between YouTube and iOS? Oh, I'm making pennies on YouTube. It's not even close to compare, it's just nothing. All the content creation, live streams, everything, making, I don't know, $200 in a month, maybe. Okay, let's do not guess. YouTube, here it is. $127 in last 28 days. If you go to the analytics, revenue last year, $2,000. It's not nothing, but probably as iOS developer you can make more than that in a year, right? It's nothing, yeah. Yeah, it is heavy. It's one of concerns why maybe it is not good idea to use Lottie, but I don't know if there are good alternatives. Maybe there are, I don't know, probably I should search. Arrow like this could work, but for dark theme it will be not good enough. I'm not sure. Probably we can't change color, yeah. No, it's not. So my followers are most of my followers are watching YouTube with ad blockers. So that's that as well, you know. Okay, I like those arrows. Let's say arrow up, to make it easier to find. And let's choose free only. Oh, we can choose colors as well. Preset palette. Oh, I can change it. That's cool. This actually is exactly that I need. Is it free or paid? Seems that this is free. If I will change color. Oh, it's dope actually. We can even change colors. Wait, did I download it or what? Go away. Okay, download. Optimized Lottie. Okay. Compressed Lottie animations that support teaming. I need this one, probably. And you can get it as a GIF as well. Oh, maybe I can include that as a GIF. Let's download it. Then I can use it without library. Let's see. Just for this one animation, I'm not kind of super happy to add all the Lottie library. Hey Roman, hello. No, Nucci, it's you can't really make a shitload of money from the YouTube and from ads. Most of the YouTubers, so you have to be really big to make money from ads, like, I don't know, MKHD, Marcus Brownie, or Mr. Beast, you know, those big YouTubers. But even they have kind of sponsored videos and so on. Then you can make a lot of money from ads, but yeah, those numbers are totally different, right? If you are kind of smaller YouTuber, and if you like to make money from YouTube, you have to have some product behind it. I think that my content helps to push a little bit my indie apps. That's one thing. That's maybe how I'm making some money. But also I have paid kind of community, and I think 100% of money, 100% of sales from this paid community is coming from because I'm creating content. And that makes much more money than I'm making on YouTube itself. So it is possible to make money by creating content, but do not wait that YouTube will pay you. I'm a bit of lurker most of times. That's totally fine to be a lurker. But I've seen your websites that have sample screen designs to get ideas, what they were. Mobbing is one of them. They closed already this behind paywall, but basically you still can find some ideas here. Mobbing is one of good ones. It was better before, but currently they hiding, asking you to pay money to get access to all the designs, all screenshots and so on, but yeah, not bad anyways. Okay, did I download that PNG? No, but GIF. It definitely should be possible to show GIF somehow. Okay, let's take a look. Swift UI, show GIF. Do we need library for it? Or we can somehow natively display? If you need library, then I can use version GIF display for SwiftUI. Yeah, Giphy, yada yada, that's again some third-party library. Can I just use it, try to use it as an image? What will happen if I will use GIF as an image? I know that we're using GIF in one of my freelance projects, but most likely we have some library for it. I don't know, I didn't work on implementation and support for it. What will happen if I will drop GIF into the access? Yeah, it doesn't shows here. Let's make a little bit better name. Just animation will be good enough. And what will happen if I will try to show it as an image here? I doubt that it will just show it natively, SwiftUI, without any libraries, but who knows, let's try. Okay, image, and it is named animation. Hello. Why didn't I copy it? Any animation, something like that. Not good name for image, but whatever. Let's see what will happen. It has no member. Image resource has no member animation. Really? Because I'm pretty sure we just added it. Arrow. Arrow animation. Animation. Arrow animation. I'm skeptical that this will work, but let's try. Oh, I saw many notification. This one? Yeah. Most likely we'll get error. Yeah. In UIKit you can use UI image with array of images from GIF and make it animated. Yeah. Yeah, we have some kind of GIF in the one of my freelance UIKit project, but seems that yeah, search didn't show anything to me. GIF in SwiftUI. Show GIF in SwiftUI. Lagging like hell. I don't know. How do you use cursor? I don't know, just using. Sometimes I'm opening project in cursor and saying we need to do this thing or that thing. Was available only in macOS. No, macOS. So, let's give an example. How do I use cursor? For example, I'm opening project in the cursor. That's exactly the same project that we are working on in the Xcode currently. Let's close this chat. Let's find onboarding flow, notification permissions. Okay, here it is. So I'm saying here I will say, for example, the arrow animation is a GIF file how we can display it over the okay, let's delete that to get preview back. I will screenshot preview. I will show what exactly I'm thinking about. Where do you usually write and build? I'm usually writing in cursor chat, exactly as I'm doing now, and building usually. I'm building more often in Xcode just because Xcode shows all the errors better and so on, but I can build in cursor as well. Okay, so now I will do the screenshot. I will provide this as well. How we can display arrow is GIF file, how we can display it. To point to the it is allow, right? Allow, yes. So basically, if we can do that with Lottie file, we would add here the Lottie file and yeah, overlay it to this image. But let's see what ChatGPT or no, Cloud in this case will suggest. Yeah, it's kind of giving us some GIF player class. Yeah, here it is. Basically it is UI view representable. We are going and using UI view, and basically it is kind of creating sequence from images and showing it. I don't know if that's cool to use it. Let's try if this will work. If this will work, we could use it and do not need Lottie library. Currently, when I want just one animation, it kind of makes sense to try to use this GIF kind of player. I will just give it a try to see if that works. Let's drop this GIF player just here, whatever. Just to see if that will work. Inject hot reload with Swift that works better than Xcode previews and gives you reload capability. Oh, that's interesting. I heard about that, but I never tried. I should probably. But yeah, my problem is that usually when I'm not streaming, then previews are working decently fast and I don't really see any problem with them, but when I'm streaming I'm not sure that this kind of additional library will save the day, you know. So currently we have to wait for a while, you know, on those previews, but that's because good chunk of the resources used by livestream. How much do you pay for cursor? I have no idea. Actually, that's a good question. Let me see. Cursor. Frankly, I don't know. Sign in. Am I sign in? Yes, I am. Account settings. I hope there is not some credit card displayed or something. So here is usage 30 days. So basically I used almost very little in last 30 days. And billing, where I can see any invoices or something. Pricing. Where are my invoices? Basically I'm paying $20 in a month, probably I'm on that plan, but I do not see any invoices. Account settings. I just don't want to spoil my address or credit cards or something. Yeah, I can't find invoices, but basically I'm on that $20 plan, and probably I didn't overspend on it. I'm not using it too much. I'm not using AI too much in my day-to-day job. Also, I'm paying for cloud, and I'm paying for ChatGPT. Probably I should cancel something. Okay, that preview doesn't work. Let's test it. Is it works in runtime? What will happen? I'm kind of skeptical. We don't have any kind of compiler error for that GIF player, but previews doesn't work already. Let's see if that works in runtime. And yeah, we can get this animation just by using this Lottie library. Not sure if I want it. It's free for first 14 days. Maybe, but I'm using I'm using it for more than. I'm using Cursor for longer than 14 days, for sure. What is going on? Okay, building. Are you really building, or you just kind of... Okay, something is changing here. Good. Build time is just crazy. What's going on? Probably too much open tabs. And also OBS probably is a little bit more resource demanding than Ecamm. Oh, and it's over midnight. Soonish I should stop streaming, sure. Okay, installing. Come on, can you move faster, please? We're waiting here. Okay, that's probably previews crashed or something. I hope it's still trying to install. You know what, I will stop it. I will delete the app because I don't really know in which stage we are. I just want to see that. I just want to be sure that I will see that screen, but I kind of want to test right now. Oh, it launched now. Ugh. It's now installing, of course. Come on. I'm just pretty sure that AI will not get it 100% right, but I just want to see what we will get. Windsurf, another VS Code fork. Yeah, cared about that as well. Okay, let's remove application and run it again. Xcode is kind of getting... Probably we need to close at least one ID let's close cursor. Let's close also a few more apps that I'm not using now. Somehow everything become very, very slow. And probably I need to close at least half of the tabs that I'm not using anyways. All the Chrome. Okay, let's try one more time. Did I delete it? No, I didn't. What's happened? What happened? Why didn't we delete it? Ecamm compensates the Yes, yeah, that's the problem, folks. But Ecamm kind of works smoothly, and yeah, all the machine works smoothly, but yeah, not great for Twitch. Oh my gosh, go away. Yeah, I do not see animation at all. Let's try to relaunch it. Who knows which version currently is running. Yes, delete, please. Let's run it again. Yeah, I don't even know why I didn't try windsurf. Somehow I got into the cursor and it just works, and yeah, that's the end of the story. Yeah, we don't not even close. Just nothing. Okay, I will not try to build this stuff by myself. I will just add Lottie animation here. I will not try to play with this GIF kind of thing. Okay, let's go Lottie way. Lottie. How bad it can be to add one more dependency. Also, you know, it's kind of if you're adding. Here is hot take or cold take, whatever. But basically, yeah, it's kind of bad to add too many dependencies in the code. But if you are adding dependency like Lottie, for example, you're adding dependency which is tested by not hundreds, thousands of developers. If you are adding some library which is generated by ChatGPT, then basically that's also dependency, but no one really tested it, and maybe not even you understand what exactly going on in that library. So I think in that case, third-party dependency is much better. So that's my excuse to add Lottie file now for animations. Sure, I could kind of try to learn and figure out how to show GIF, but I'm not sure I really want to do that, to be honest. Spending hours to create my own library, then I will forget how it works. No. Multiplayer for iOS. And Lottie is around for a while. It is... I used it, I don't know, so many years ago already. Okay, let's install dependency. Is cursor or Windsor send entire code base to some server? I think yes. I don't know for sure, but I think yes. Go and register for free on Codium. It costs you nothing and it has Xcode integration. Okay, I will do. I promise. Not now. Now we're adding dependencies to the project. Okay, I'm running out of the kvass. Yeah, it's really deadly slow. I don't know what's going on. And it's getting coldish. Oh, come on, what's going on? Is it internet speed now? What the hell? It's not so bad, it's decent. Yeah, it's good. It's good. What's wrong with you? Can't you find Lottie? What is that? Hello. GitHub link. Okay, probably I need just wait. Yeah, probably I'm going sleepy. I don't know. I do not feel, but Conrad, please define me. What is good internet speed? Honestly. I don't know. It's not so bad. I will try to restart Xcode. You know, sometimes that helps. Next option is restart Mac, because internet router is fine. Oh, cool. We have beach ball. It's not internet speed, it's Mac resources. Xcode is not responding. Okay, died, finally. Okay, let's kill simulator as well. It's... I'm pretty sure it's OBS, because... it's not so bad when we're streaming using eCam. Memory, yeah, OBS. Okay, it's not so bad, but I don't know. Okay, let's try to launch Xcode again. If you have to choose one, what you will be, ChatGPT, Cursor or Cloud? Cloud, Cursor is for programming only. I'm using AI for other things as well. Cloud is better than ChatGPT, so for programming tasks. For other tasks, they are kind of I don't know. mixed results. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's basically, probably it's just end of the night. Hello, Swift packages. Yeah, here we can, Apple Swift packages are here. GitHub. Doesn't work. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is that. I think maybe... Yeah, I don't know what to think. I wanted to say that login into GitHub, but you don't need login to fetch packages. I remember having 25 kilobit modem that was slow. Yes, and I remember also turning off modem connection when you download web page, then you disconnect, read what you want to read, then connect again and click next. Oh, that looks promising. We have something here already, 75. Okay. It looks better. Okay, here it is, Lottie iOS. Yeah, I don't know what's that. So, yeah, probably something with connection, but hard to tell connection to where, you know. Because, yeah, which one I need, Lottie or Lottie Dynamic, or both? Okay, so we should how to use .lottie animation class. Import .lottie. Yeah, but okay, do I need both? Lottie dynamic or Lottie? Okay, let's start with Lottie probably. All internet goes to space, X Starship Fight 7 launching process. Yeah, probably. Yeah, it's yeah. Problem is that when you check internet speed, you're checking to the one destination, but yeah, maybe my stream is going to the different one. Yeah, that's the problem. Problem is MacBook when I got optical fiber connection, MacBook used it to disconnect and reconnect randomly. Okay. Yeah. Auto channel for that, for 5 and 2.5. Yeah. Yeah, but you know, it is not kind of, yeah, I don't have this problem every time, you know. So, I don't know. Okay, which should I use? Both? Just one? How big it is? Okay, I will add Lottie only, we'll see if that will be enough. Okay, how do you use it? Import .lottie. Probably we don't need to initialize it, we just need to import it in the view where we use it. I assume that should be just right way to do that. Let's see if we can import it. Let's try to build. Not such model. Okay, so we need to import both of those things. And Lottie, can I edit it somehow? No, I need to add it again. Okay. Of course, we don't have it anymore. Recently used it. Okay, here it is. Good, at least that. Add. This is already added. Good. Let's add this one. Okay, let's try build now. We are at the end of the soundtrack. Probably that means that we should go to sleep. Play a little bit of video games and go to sleep. Epidemic essentials actually are not bad. There was something like not piano, not jazz, ambient. Let's try ambient. Oh, here it is, lofi beats. Okay, did we build? No? Do we still have error? What else is wrong here? Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, this Z-stack breaking everything. Sure. Okay, now better. Still don't have Lottie. Yeah, I don't know what is this Windows server. It's taking a lot of RAM, but at this point I'm scared to kill it. It's a lot of RAM, yeah. Really? Is not what I need? .lottie, that's not what you need. But it's saying me to import .lottie. For SwiftUI, setup animation inside view, load animation. Okay, I don't have this cool animation, but oh, maybe, yeah, maybe problem is in the package because, yeah, you may be right. Let's see. Actually, that could be true because this is Lottie. Back in my days, there was just Lottie. Now we have some kind of .lottie. Let's try. Yeah, here is .lottie iOS. Yep, that was a thing. Yeah, before somehow we wasn't able to fetch packages, and I grabbed first one that I found. Yeah, it seems so. And yeah, there we have just one thing to import. No. Let's try to build. Maybe it will find. Not such model. Okay, let's wait a little bit more. Airbnb Lottie iOS. Yeah, but do you think? I think this will work as well. Because this is iOS player for Lottie. It's kind of smaller library. Who is making it? I don't know. That's not yeah. That is not really the same thing that Airbnb thing. I don't know if that's the right decision to use this one. And that's definitely not tonight's problem, to be honest. Because I should go to sleep already. Okay, I will just add it to see is it work. And for animation, I think I downloaded animation. Here it is, yeah. And those animations probably is just going to the somewhere. Not in the assets catalog, but do I have some kind of resources? Anything? Settings, shared. Okay, I will just drop it somewhere for now. Here, let's say. And let's rename it. It is arrow animation. Let's test if it works. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. Is .lottie somehow better? I will just finish work with this thing and go to sleep. And tomorrow we'll take a look on that. So this one should probably just kind of inserted in the view, I think. Now, when we have this structure here, then probably I can add it just here in the stack. I don't know, we'll see. Do I need to make it like that? Or do I need to add some parameters? Probably this will be enough. And everything will be wrong. Size, position on the screen, but I just want to see if it works. Do you think AI will replace us? No. Come on, show me preview. Yeah, everything is so slow. Actually, that is our chance to Google what is this Windows server. What the hell is Windows server? Mac activity. Windows server. Seems that this is popular search. What it is? Time machine backup is blah blah blah. You exceeded amount of RAM. Can you give shorter answer? Buy or the tool for that. Process that draws elements of screen. Yeah, exactly. And this Windows server probably that can be whatever. Live streaming. Oh, Dino Crisis. Hello. Thanks for the raid. I'm just I was saying let's wait until this screen will compile and then go to sleep. How are you doing? How was your stream? I wasn't rated for years, but that's I should blame myself. Oh, I don't even remember how to do this kind of... Yeah, I don't even remember shut commands. Sorry guys, go and check out Dino Crisis. What are you streaming? Did you do programming? Everything is so slow here. It's so annoying. Oh, labvakar, Dino Crisis. Oh, so plenty Latvians in the chat. That's cool. Labvakar. Privet, zdarova, labvakar, guten tag, good evening. Hola. Yeah, that's crazy slow. It's just crazy slow. It's last time, probably, when I'm streaming from OBS from the Mac. Yeah, I'm streaming randomly, totally. I wasn't stream for a while because different reasons. Now I'm kind of randomly streaming time to time. Oh, cool, animation appeared. It looks ugly, shape is broken, but it works. So we can work with it. We can basically put it in a frame to make it smaller, move it a little bit to the right, and yeah. Game though. Oh, cool. That's cool. Yeah, I should move. I will move streaming to the Windows. Yes, I can speak Russian. I prefer speak English because very small part of my audience understand Russian, but I can speak Russian, but I prefer speaking Latvian or English. Yeah, this animation is so ugly. Why those arrows are so broken? That's kind of interesting. Size and position is wrong. That's fine. That's correct. But why they are so broken? That's interesting. Because I expected to get something different. Where is it? Can I back up to the... Let's go a little bit more back. CPU usage. Yeah, CPU usage probably also is kind of... CPU... OBS... What is internet speed? Oh, it's decent. I have 280. But I'm in Riga, in city center. I don't know if you have... there is... I don't know, optical internet is available everywhere in Riga, I think. Prices in Riga are high for a while. I don't know, probably there are bumps time to time, but it never was cheap. Okay, it's cheaper comparing with other European countries, but generally. I don't know, everything's so slow. Should I go sleep? I probably will go my Steam. I probably will take my Steam Deck and go to the bed, play a bit, and go to sleep. That's probably exactly what I should do today, right now. Yeah, that animation is somehow broken. We need to export new Lottie file. Lottie is somehow buffering. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I moved from Yalgo. Arrow up. It should look like this one. I don't know why it is not. maybe that's that Lotti Schmotti modification. I will download it without modification. Let's try. Freelancers never sleep. Yeah. Moving to Jelgava, I don't know why. You need some kind of decent reason why. When I moved to Jelgava, I moved because of family. So it was more convenient to live in Jelgava with kids. I'm clicking your download button. Why nothing happens? Click, clack. Can we download? So I moved there to Jelgava because it is more convenient when you have small kids because they can move around without any problems and so on in the city. Now I will not move to the Jelgava because why? What will they do there? Yeah, kind of there are cheaper apartments and homes, but I don't know. There are not too many coffee shops out, the theaters are here, cinemas, I don't know, everything. Airport is closer to Riga than to Jelgava. Kind of why? If you want to be if you want to buy home, then maybe, why not? Kind of yes, makes sense. If you would like to live in home and basically, yeah. Houses are 10 times cheaper. Yeah, that's true. If you like to buy house, like home, not apartment, then yeah, also apartments are cheaper. Yeah, it is cheaper, sure. And it is close to Riga. Also true, but yeah. I enjoy too much to just go out. I need only internet. Yes, if you need only internet and you need that you don't need, if you know that you don't need Riga, then fine. I was living in the Riga all my life, and then I moved to Jelgava for about 9 years, 9-ish, something like that. And it was fine, and I kind of also need only internet, you know, but I got bored, you know, after some period of time. And I got bored, and then the only good coffee shop in the city closed, and I was kind of, what the fuck I'm doing here? And I moved back to Riga. And yeah, of course, situation with family changed. Basically, kids were already kind of older and are able to move around themselves. So it is not so important. It's not important at all anymore for kids to be in Jelgava. And in Riga also. That's better for kids now as well. Because, for example, if you like whatever, I don't know, go to the pool, there are better options here. If you like to go to the, I don't know, bouldering gym, better here, and so on. Basically, plenty of things which are better in Riga. If you are sure that you will buy the home and will live in that home and will be happy there, yeah, sure, why not? It is cheaper in Jelgava. Actually, one of my kind of friends, he renting home in Jelgava, in Ozolniki actually, for $800, 800 euros in a month. Basically, nice, quite big home. Everything is good. He's renting. In Riga, for that money, you can rent only apartment. So yeah, totally right, yeah. It's cheaper. But yeah, depends what you want. Why I can't get new download? I assume maybe it is somehow corrupted. I'm clicking the download button, nothing happens. It's basically everything is saying me today I will go to sleep. Are you selling your house? No, I'm not selling, and I don't have house in Jelgava. I didn't buy a home. I have house in Vecāķi, my wife's house, to be correct. But in Jelgava, I have apartment. I bought apartment there. But honestly, I enjoy living in the center of the Riga, basically, when you can go out and be in the center of everything. You have one block away you have theater, another block away you have, plenty of coffee shops. I enjoy that. Yeah, I don't know, nothing is working. Maybe that's Safari being drunk. Let's open, just last chance. Let's open that in the Chrome. Okay, Lottie. Yeah, this is what I want. Vecāķi prices are nuts. Oh, yeah, that's pricey. Yeah, not cheap. There were in that home old that was built by my parents, and we just we did that years ago already, forever. I like driving motorcycles. Still go. What's your regular day routine last month? It's kind of mess, I was in vacation for a while, so that's kind of messing up everything. Maybe I need something grayish, more grayish, like this. This could work on light and dark screen, right? Yes. Let's download this version. So lately I'm on evenings I'm working on my own apps, but during the days I'm working on freelance projects, and that's it, and I do nothing much more, honestly. Okay, did I download it now? Probably. Okay, here it is. No. Yes. This one should be that, right? Okay, let's delete all those animations. Probably have some duplications here. Go away. Let's download it again. Click download. What's going on? Nothing. Probably I need to choose this one. Click download. Okay, downloading. Okay, where's my animation? Okay, here it is. Let's rename it Gray Arrow. Blame X, yeah. Okay, let's just copy this gray arrow. I do not understand why it is. Let's drop it. Oh. What is not rename? Oh, gray arrow. Let's put it here. Okay, and will this also will be deformed, or this will look fine? But your camera is so nice. I have two cameras. There's this one and there is this one. Which one you like better? This is not Mac camera. Mac camera. If this will look correct or not. Or those arrows are also will be deformed. Come on. Yeah, it's so bad, so slow. It's basically impossible to stream. Oh, it's not being good job. Hey, Mikhail, hello. Yeah, so long, so taking so much time. Get out my Steam Deck and slowly go to the bed.